Hi, it's Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm taking you through a new collection by Mintay Papers called Lady. Now this collection is a very feminine collection. It features the colours green and pink and lots of dresses, perfume, floral clusters. It's a very elegant collection. So let's have a look. We've got A Day to Remember, Beautiful Memories, Follow Your Dreams, This Is Your Time, You Are a Diamond, Always Be Yourself. You've got lipstick and perfume, and it's a very, very feminine collection. Well, it's very unique. I haven't seen anything really like this at all in a scrapbooking collection, so this is very different. If you have a look here, you've got high heels and the mannequins, and mirrors, and a vase, flowers. So this is quite unique, and I think this is going to be really, really popular because it's not often that you get a collection with these dark greens and pinks together. Let's take a look at the 6x6 scrapbooking paper pad. You receive 12 different designs inside this paper pad, and you get 4 copies of each of those designs, plus you get the 2 bonuses on the inside of the front cover. So this is the bonus design here, which is 4 framed pictures. And then let's take a look at the papers. So we've got the very dark green curtain here and the green dress, the mirror. On the back we've got an upholstered pink lounge. We've got a beautiful window picture here with some green ivy and lace curtains. And then we've got if you're starting with the dark green and you're going through to a lighter colour green there, sort of like a wash green page. Here you've got the mirror. Well, it's not actually a mirror, but I want to say mirror. I'm not sure. It's got like these pink frames here with perfume and flowers. And this one is like a ruffled lace. This one's your floral cluster page, and then another dark green page with washed lines. Another floral cluster with the pink roses on the green background, and then this one here, which is like a ledger and some script writing. And then you've got the tiny little ones with the frames at the back. So those designs are then repeated 4 times, so you don't need to feel anxious that you're going to run out of paper, or that if you make a mistake cutting something, there's not a backup page. There's plenty of copies in this paper pad so that you can really relax and just enjoy crafting. And let's now take a look at the large papers. So this is the 12x12 scrapbooking paper set, and on the reverse you have all of your fussy cut images that you can cut out, or if you have a scan and cut, you can scan those and cut them out. And as I said before, there's a lot of beautiful feminine images on this page. And then this page, the number 9, you actually get that same thing again. So if you want more fussy cutting images, you can buy this as a separate page. And on the back is a very arty, painted, it looks like a painted canvas to me. Let's take a look at the pages in the 12x12 scrapbooking paper set. Now these pages are the same as what is in the smaller 6x6 paper pad, but they're obviously a much larger design. And it's a little bit easier to see. So this is the green curtain and the green dress. Got the ledger in the background. You've got this pink frame here and the perfume. And on the reverse is the upholstered pink lounge, but it's very distressed. That's page number 1. Page number 2 is absolutely beautiful. I do adore Corolla's windows. This one is got very shabby chic look to it, very distressed shutters, and then these lace curtains. It's got the vines in behind. It's a very pretty page. On the reverse is this tones of green. That would make a very striking background. So that's page number 2. Page number 3 is this, what reminds me of is like those dresses that had the 3 mirrors. An old-fashioned style dresser, but it also has the wreath through here and a mirror here. This reminds me of my grandparents' sort of dresses and colour scheme. And the colour scheme, it's sort of like vintage. It's got a vintage feel to it. Let's have a look at paper number 4. Paper number 4 is a pastel pink, cream, golden toned floral page with green leaves. And on the reverse, you've got the darker edge of the green again. So it's a very striking page. Page number 5 is more of your floral clusters, but it's got the dark green background. And on the reverse is this ledger page with paint over the top of it. And then the number 6 page is 3x4s that you can cut up, you can use on cards. It's got the dresses, mirrors, perfume, high heels, vases of flowers. And on the reverse we've got frames. So I've got a mixture of frames here and a mixture of colours. And so in your 12x12 paper collection, you get 2 pages of each of those designs. It's a very unique collection. This is not one that you're going to see often in the scrapbooking papers. This is called Lady. Mintay Papers. This is Lady. My goodness, the things that are going to come out of this collection are going to be incredibly striking creations. I can't wait to see what you create with this paper set. If you love these papers, make sure you check out your local scrapbooking store, or if you can't find them, just check on Etsy because they're all available on Etsy. Stay tuned for more Mintay paper collections that are being released on my channel so that you are up to date with the latest collections by Mintay. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely crafty day.